Greetings from Commonwealth area. I'm exploring this area today. Well, had quite a tough day today. I went to another location, but it was closed. Basically, I'm doing some
turn right toward Commonwealth
haunted
Drive.
house series. I'm going to check out whether they are haunted. So I went to the number 1 Spooner Road near the Chinatown. I went there. I saw the bungalow doing some repair work already, and the whole area was fenced up. Only the workers can go in. So I came into the second location, Commonwealth Drive. Block 55 and Block 40 are rumored to be some dirty stuff. So you guys wondering why I'm doing this, right? Because I'm just curious, and I hope that nothing serious happen and walk out alive. The Tanglin Hawker Center right here, and we are reaching Block 49, Tanglin Halt Road. My Queenstown Heritage Trail. This is called the Heritage Trail, man. Hawker Center of Tanglin Halt right here in the Western food. Look at the Western stuff.
Hotel.
Lots of space. Today is a weekday. But I think only left 30% of store open, man. Luck. Let's see what the store open, man. I saw lots of customers on the Western food. The Yong Tau Hu, right here. He Feng Food Reflexology. Renovation is nice. TCM. I'll just have a look through. And there's a hair studio here. Except CDG voucher, they are closed. And there's a food store called 水果店. Manu Mikan is nice. It's very nice. I think the store owners they just stay upstairs, you know. One view. And there's a bakery shop at the corner. The Sheng Siong here and Commonwealth MRT has a UOB POSB ATM. You know, it's advisable to apply for other banks' card because you know POSB queued about many people at one time. Look at the bananas promotion. And there's food court here, food quite nice. Show guys, there should be a Long John Silver at the corner. No Kopitiam culture, lots of uncles gather at the coffee shop, and right here we have Long John Silver. And there's a nice mural, right? A little cat. Long John Silver. I like their fries and chicken as well as fish. Let's see what kind of promotion they have now. 2-piece hot honey, 3-piece. So basically it's spicy and sweet. Then they have the coffee as well.